Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy F12 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and as you can see, I hope that you can see it, I've previously applied the grid lines, before I started the recording, because I would like to show you the actual evidence that the reset option will work. So let's enter the settings which are in the left upper corner and swipe to the very bottom. As you can see here, we've got reset settings, so let's tap on it and tap on reset. We just got back to the camera, and as you can see, this is the very first evidence that the reset option worked, because this is the information we receive after turning on the camera for the very first time. And as you can see, I hope the grid lines simply disappeared, so it means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera settings in your Samsung Galaxy F12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.